Hey, what's up, everyone? And this is Lun. So, welcome to my YouTube channels. I've just created a new playlist that's called Reviews. So, this reviews playlist, I'm going to share with you guys about the platforms, the software that I've been using, and sharing with you guys to the pros and cons for that particular software. And yeah, so today is the first episode, and I'll be sharing about the System IO review. So, and this is one of my favorite platforms and one of my favorite software that I've been using for a while. Yeah, so I've been divided through few sections. What is the system I/O and the features, pricings, who is actually the best person that you guys uh, were suitable for, and the next would be how you guys can actually earn money through system I/O and how you can actually get started. Okay, so I hope you guys are excited. So let's get started for this. So this is actually a software that's called System IO, and I personally really love it. Okay, I've been using, I'm using for a few months, and yeah, it really benefits me a lot. And because I love it, and because it's contained all in one marketing platform. Okay, so how I can say that all in one marketing platforms. So I will just jump to the features. Okay, so what we actually have is a sales funnel. It's a funnel builder software. So it also contains the email marketing, just like MailChimp. You can actually set up the automations, and once you collect those people's email lists, you're able to send them the email automations through the different emails to nurture it. Okay, you can also create online courses, website builders. It's just like website builders, or you can, if you have a blog, you can just create it. And one of the best thing is contains the affiliate program management. Okay, you can actually set up your affiliate programs. You let others affiliate to actually share to your products to other people's, and also the marketing automations. This one that I love it, and because of the integrations, I've been struggling through the integration. If you are not too tech savvy, and this is a place that I would recommend you to use it. Okay, so for the features, it actually contains one of the ones you upgraded through. There's an Evergreen Webinars, and these the features that I'm not really recommend to use it because not really friendly user. Okay, not really recommend. So who is the person is actually suitable for this software? This software is actually suitable if you are looking to sell uh, the digital products. Okay, is what I mean for. Okay, you want to sell for courses, ebooks, videos, this is a place for you. Okay, if you are freelancers, you want to sell your services, this is a place for you. Consultants, coaches, or a small business owner really helps you, and you will be benefit through this software. Let's say if you are, hey, you're asking me, hey Lun, I want to sell the e-commerce products. Is this software suitable? I would say that you can use it, but it's not really friendly like other software, and it's not really good for the physical. Okay, you can't actually add card or some things through this program. Through this software. So this is the place that I would recommend. So let's see about the pricing over here. The pricings, yeah, you can actually really start for free. I can say that it's a ClickFunnels alternative. Okay, ClickFunnels you need you just start for the trial versions, but this one you can actually get a free for whole life. Okay, so what's the actually the benefit for is the you can actually start for free without insert any credit cards needed. A context of 2000, unlimited. Okay, let's see about the sales funnels. Three place for the sales funnels, free funnels, and then the 10 steps, the blog post. And one of the best thing is I can say that it contains of the one custom domain over here. Okay, means that you can actually create, you can buy a domain and insert it custom through with this free. Okay, you can't actually find other place that having a free with inserting custom domain. Okay, so it's really friendly users. You can actually drag and drop through this software. It's no worries. And yeah, so once you have upgraded, there's some differences over here. Okay, if you are upgraded, if you are looking for the webinar, okay, Evergreen Webinar is under the webinars is $47 per month. Okay, if you are looking for, hey Loon, I have other platforms, using other platforms, I want to migrate, have a migrations over here. Okay, you can actually have a migrations if you build it. Okay, you need to sign up. You need to sign up through 1 year. Okay, and then you will have a free migrations. Okay, okay, let's see. I just press this 12 month. Okay, this is a 228 per year. Let's say it's about this. You can actually have a free migrations. Okay, so you once you contact support, the support will help you to actually migrate all the funnels that you have. Okay, so how you can actually get started? Okay, I have an affiliate links down below. You can just click on the link buttons down below. Okay, you can actually go and sign up and click put on your email address and just sign up. I will have some special bonus to you guys. So I would be helping you guys on how you can actually get started through all technical things. Okay, after those free trainings I've created for you for how to actually get started and to create your landing pages, how to connect it each others, the automations, how to connect it. It's actually pretty easy. You can just follow up my trainings, and also for the how you guys can actually connect the domains together, and it can help too. Okay, so the next things I would like to share is the let you guys see about the dashboard. So this is actually the dashboard. One of my account that I've been using. Okay, so you'll be seeing the dashboard over here, and then how you can actually earn some money. There's two ways. One is to sell your products, digital products, and the second is to have an affiliate. Okay, you can promote through your affiliate uh, through the systems. So once you have created the account, you actually auto generate the affiliate links to you. Okay, so there's also some course sections. Okay, most probably people want to have a course. Okay, sections you can actually create a course. And then the last thing is the funnels. Okay, and when I click on created, we can create different types of sales funnels that you want, right? So the more details is inside the free trainings. Just hit on the button down below, sign up through my links, and I will send you to guys. Email me uh, once you have just signed up. I will send you the free trainings to you guys for more details, right? So I hope this system IO reviews able to help you guys, and which one is very suitable to you and you want to use it or not. Yeah, and hope you enjoy it and see you soon. Bye.